Hi there. Right now I am at Digha Railway Station in West Bengal, India. And at the railway station, on the wall paintings, very clear message, a very environmental friendly message: save trees, save water, save earth. That's what we all need to do in order to save the environment. So now I'll go inside the railway station. So this is the train arrival timetable at Digha. This is the departure timings from Digha railway station. So this is the end point, the last railway station for this route. The train leaving for Mechda. Hello. So thank you. Beautiful Digha, beautiful Bengal, and incredible India. Jai Hind.